Hi everyone, it's me Joe, and today I'm bringing you a brand new mascara themed video. Now, if you look at the comments below, I'm actually going to be talking through a little bit of a blog about where my videos are. I've changed everything up in the last week with the launch of my website, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an update blog at the end of this video, but let's go in with the tutorial now. Alright guys, well I've looked and tried to find a mascara product that's really ticks all the boxes, shall we say. Now, I also like to find black mascaras, and I also consider the health of my mascaras or the health benefits of my mascara, not considering the health of this. But basically, there are lots of lash serums in the market, and some of them are very good. They help the lashes grow. Some of them don't really do lots to them. They just add moisture. And some of them actually do not do great things for your makeup because they leave an oily residue into the lash and your mascara can slip off. Now, I've been looking high and low for a mascara, and the one that I really enjoyed was Gem Show. Now, Gem Show is a mascara and growth enhancement in one. All right, guys, let's zoom in. All right, so now we're zooming, you can pretty much see my lashes. Now, if I look in the mirror, what can I say about my lashes that I love and I hate? I love the fact that the lashes are full. I've got quite big eyes. I also like the fact that they aren't necessarily black, because if I had really dark black eyelashes, I think that it would limit my ability to have a softer eye look. And I like having the option. I always think it's easier, isn't it, when you've got like a feature that you can play up. Because if you've got too much of each, like I've got big lips and I try and do some sort of Hunger Games geisha lips. And sometimes with me, it looks like a fish from the behind. Who even knows what I look like? It just doesn't look right. It's much easier if you've got less of something and you can draw it on, in my opinion. But anyway, my mascaras that I normally go for are kind of a dry, moussey formula. The Dior Show one particularly that's not waterproof. I also like to have the Big Benefit bagger mascaras. I love them just because I like a big wand. I've got a thing about the big wands. And I also like to have the Max Factor 2000 calories, because the 2000 calories and me have been best friends since school, and I wouldn't swap that mascara. It's just a good all-rounder. Now, the only thing that I would like to add to it would be the fact that I'd like it to do wonders for my eyelashes and keep them healthy and strong. So I found out about Gem Show, and it's not got any of the nasties in, and it's full of peptides to really enhance your hair. So not just the things you see in conditioner adverts, but you can actually apply that to your makeup. We're moving into an area where there's a real hybridization of skincare and makeup. So color and health benefits are kind of being combined at the moment, which is really good, and Gem Show's great for that. I really liked the cute little twisty mascara look, and I like the gold. So let's go in right now and I'll show you what I think. Okay, so that is pretty much one eye done with one coat versus nothing. I'm pretty happy with that. Now, I will say that the wand is an unusual shape. The wand is tapered. It reminds me of the bend in an eyelash curler, so it's really been ergonomically designed to fit the eye. And I like that the tip is actually quite precise, because if you wanted to paint on, you could. I would definitely say this feels like it is a very dark black, and it feels like it's buildable. I'd probably combine this with another mascara just to get that fan effect a little bit more. But if I sandwiched it, I think it would do the job very nicely. And it feels very good on the lashes. Let's finish both off and I'll show you the final. Alright guys, well this is both eyes done, and I think this is definitely a go-to mascara to add to my collection. If you're looking for that mascara that gives you the benefits of a lash serum mixed in with a great mascara that's black and does the job, well, here we go. Alright guys, well that is pretty much it. So thank you Instylish, who sent me the gorgeous mascara to try. I actually did a second video which is exclusive to Agitprop. Now I'm doing a mini series that includes me looking at supermodels that I really admire and doing a kind of inspired look from them and seeing what you guys think as a selfie at the end. So it's a new take on my supermodel transformations that I started off with many years ago, and it's going to be available to my website. Thank you so much, Instylish, for sending me some products. I'm really excited to have supported you and to post not only this video but my one on my website, because it's a new beauty platform that brings premium beauty solutions to faces. So to solve any daily makeup hassles, they will actually bring you a lot of new versatile cosmetics which don't just suit all face types and face shapes, but you can do for any occasion. So they gave you lots of different things that I'm intrigued by, because they actually go out and find new brands. So check them out in the links below. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Check out Agitprop, check out Instylish, and see you soon.